Hey guys, so today I'm gonna be showing you how of an overview of this of like the next 3 videos. So this is gonna be like a part 1 out of 3 series. So this is the first one. This is just an overview and what it can do. So I created this quick test map. As you can tell, it's pretty good. So you walk up, jump onto here. And also, don't press space too many times while you're jumping, because then you're sort of going to be stuck jumping. So, yeah, pretty much. It can also sprint. It can jump. I displayed this. You can spin around at light speed. There's sound. There's probably anything you'd ever want. Other than, like, the advanced ones where it's, like, you can grab stuff and all that. You can interact with things, like walking into them, and then they'll be like pushed around. Yeah, so I mean, it's pretty good, to be honest. So it can do a lot of stuff. There's a bunch of settings here if you want to mess around with them. Use everything expanded. That means you can change your walk speed, your run speed. Don't leave your run step length too high, because then you're gonna go too fast. Unless you want to go like Sonic. You can mess around with FOV kick. Head bob is literally just like your head bobbing up and down, like while you're standing jumping. Like whenever you jump, your head moving. Your sounds, you can adjust this to whatever you want. Yeah, that's sort of the overview. Bye.